better known as Longsheng in short by our customers. We are located at the world's manufacturing hub, which is Dongguan City in Guangdong Province, China. With nearly 4 years of experience in development as an international precision parts manufacturer, we have served and are still serving various customers from various industries, which includes and not limited to automotive, automation, medical, aerospace, robotics, and many more. Our core manufacturing services includes online CNC machining, sheet metal, and stamping. We have also extended our capabilities to tooling fabrication, injection tooling, 3D printing, as well as full turnkey assembly projects. At heart, our focus is on long-term cooperation with our customers. Rather than selling a product, we position ourselves as a solutions provider, providing customers with end-to-end support, coupled with tailor-made solutions, thus making us totally stand out from the rest of the competition. When it comes to our customers, our sole objective is to provide solutions which enable our customers to effectively materialize the project and concurrently save time, effort, and costs. To be a reliable long-term business partner, top-class quality, competitive pricing, and on-time delivery is our mantra. Serving from the heart, sincere intentions to help, treating all customers the same and with respect. These are the core values we all share in dealing with all our customers. Longsheng Technology, your design, our precision.